Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IPFighter. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at Proxy-Seller, a relatively new proxy service that's received quite a lot of attention lately. Let's see how well it performs. This is Proxy-Seller homepage. They offer 5 proxy types: IPv4, IPv6, ISP proxy, residential proxies, and mobile proxy LT. This enables users to choose different proxy types for different needs. They also have a large IP pool of over 15 million IPs across 52 countries. You can choose to purchase by GB or IP, depending on which proxy type you want to use. Proxy-Seller has many payment methods including Visa Card, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MasterCard, Litecoin, and USDT. However, Proxy-Seller does not provide a free trial, and they do not offer refunds. Therefore, if you want to test their service, you can purchase a small amount before committing to a larger package. Now I'll show you how to get a new proxy from Proxy-Seller. Upon logging into your Proxy-Seller account, navigate to the Order section to obtain your proxy. Choose the type of proxy that you want to use. Here I'm using residential proxies. Here you can customize details such as proxy rotation, location, format, quantity. After you've done, click Create. Click the link to get the proxy list you've just created. A file consisting the proxy list will be downloaded automatically. Open it and copy the proxy information. To test the proxy's performance, you can configure it within your web browser. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set it up within the Hide MyAC anti-detect browser to prevent website detection. First, create a new profile. At the Proxy tab, choose your proxy HTTP connection type, then add the IP you've just got from Proxy-Seller. Click Check Proxy to see whether the IP address is still active. You can see the IP is active, click Create and run your new profile. Upon launching your Hide MyAC profile, the IPFighter homepage will open automatically. Here, you can access comprehensive information regarding your IP address and browser fingerprint. IPFighter has assigned a score of 95 out of 100 to this IP address. Click More to see why. This IP is blacklisted by this website. But if you are not planning to perform tasks on this site, you can still use it as normal. Next, let's verify the IP registration and speed of this proxy by visiting What is my IP? To delve into the details of the proxy registration, proceed to the IPWHOIS lookup section. You can see the information of the proxy here, which aligns with the proxy location. Next, click Internet Speed Test to check the speed of the proxy. Here is the speed of this proxy. Now we will use this proxy to create a new Etsy account. It seems that I can't create a new Etsy account with this proxy. Next, let's log in my Instagram account to see if it can work on this platform. Here I'll need to verify by doing a CAPTCHA. Success. How about TikTok? Here I couldn't log into my account. I'll reload the page and try again. Still not succeeded. It seems that I won't be able to log into my TikTok account with this proxy. You can try on other platforms to check the proxy's performance. If you run into continuous CAPTCHAs or unable to proceed the website, there's a high possibility that the proxy is blacklisted by that website. That's all my reviews about ProxyLink. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.